Welcome to another notebook architecture video where we learn about architectural science while making notes in a notebook. In this video we're going to be talking about this. I hope you can tell what it is. It's a hollow brick or a three-hole brick, and this video is about its qualities for construction, some advantages and disadvantages as well. As you can see with the pen sketch here, the kind of brick I'm talking about is a brick that has recesses in it, and there are a number of different hollow brick designs out there. Well, on one of my travels I came across this wall that was breaking down, and this wall had something particular about it. If you notice how the wall is made up of three-holed bricks, now the bricks look like they may not have been mortared very well, or maybe the mortar wore away after the covering bricks came off. I don't know, but notice how the bricks have been mortared inside of the holes as well. What's the significance of this? I think the reason for the design of these bricks is quite clear. When three-holed bricks are mortared together, the resulting wall is a more solid bound wall made up of interlocking bricks. So you'll have your bricks here, and through the holes you'll have the connection of the mortar like this, interlocking the bricks. The bricks aren't simply just glued together, they're actually anchored to one another. This helps to reinforce the act of the wall as a single solid structure, whereas a wall made up of normal solid bricks has the mortar sitting between the brick faces, acting as glue. The mortar in this case holds the bricks together and acts as a bed for the bricks to rest on, but the hollow bricks allow the mortar to act as pegs or anchors as well as glue, and they also have some other benefits. Some of those benefits are that they're easy to carry and handle because of the holes. The bricks are lighter in weight, meaning it weighs less overall on the structure, and services can be passed through them easier because there's no need to drill any holes in it, and therefore risk damaging the brick. Well, what do you think broke these walls? Perhaps the disadvantage of these bricks are that they're susceptible to frost and thaw damage. If any water got in, then this brick or the wall made of these bricks are probably done. Now, the brick material itself, like most bricks, is generally water resistant. Most bricks resist the penetration of moisture. However, when there's recesses or bad workmanship, then the frost is just going to finish him. Sub-Zero wins. Fatality. Exactly. It's going to obliterate the wall over time. Take a look at this. The moisture from the wet weather will gather in the recess, and in the colder seasons it will freeze overnight. So we have stage 1 here where the moisture has seeped into the crack, and when it freezes it expands a little bit and it makes the crack run deeper. Then it melts again in the day, and that allows it to seep deeper into the new crack, and then it freezes again and splits it even more, which creates an even deeper crack, and that just keeps happening over and over again until fatality. Your building is destroyed, or your wall is destroyed. So as long as the bricks are mortared together properly to close out gaps, there should be a heavily reduced risk of any freeze-thaw problems. But of course, all structures and things wear down over time, so the wall should be maintained by pointing. If you don't know what pointing is, then it's basically this. Subscribe. Kano wins. Fatality.